Now this is problem number 238 from the book I wrote up from the topics dynamics of solid bodies, and question is given as find the moment of inertia of a thin uniform rod relative to the axis which is perpendicular to the rod and passing through its end if the mass of the rod is m and its length is l. So let's this is the diagram. So this dotted line is representing the axis of rotation, and the L is the length of the rod and its mass is m, and we are taking an elemental mass dm at a distance r of thickness or width dr. So elemental mass dm will be m divided by elemental mass dm will be m divided by L into dr. So moment of inertia of this elemental or a small segment di will be r square dm. So that will be equal to r square m divided by L into dr, which is equal to m divided by L into r square dr. Now we have to find the total moment of inertia from the limit 0 to the total length L. For doing that, we have to, if we want to find the total moment of inertia of the rod will be I equal to integration of di, which is equal to integration of m divided by L into r square dr from the limit 0 to L. So if you carry the integration, as we know m is constant and L is constant here, so m divided by L will come outside from the integral and our remaining term is r square dr. So integration of r square dr with the limit 0 to L, I will be equal to m divided by L into integration of r square dr is r cube divided by 3, and its limit is given from 0 to L. So our given integral is m divided by L into L cube divided by 3 minus 0, which is equal to moment of inertia of the rod about an axis which is passing through one end of the rod whose mass is m and length is L will be equal to I equal to ml cube divided by 3L. So our moment of inertia becomes 1/3 ml square. So this is our required moment of inertia of the rod.